What is going on, my dudes, thinking about stepping into the world of flip phones? Right now, buying a nice flip phone is basically the same as grabbing a fresh burrito from Chipotle with all of the toppings and, of course, the guac. But flip phones were everywhere in the early 2000s, and they've been coming back in a big way thanks to companies like Samsung, Motorola. But modern flip phones have been around for a few years. However, they leaped forward the last couple. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Motorola Razr gained larger screens than their predecessors, making them more useful when closed. As far as a couple of the best options for something nice and compact, you can't go wrong with either of these. While a bit more expensive and generally more fragile than standard phones, flip phones have some benefits you can't get with regular devices. They fit more easily in your pocket and are more manageable to use with one hand when closed. You can also prop them up by folding them halfway, which makes it possible to take a photo or view the screen without having to hold the device. They also have a distinct design that makes them stand out from other smartphones, but if I could only recommend one phone for the best flip phone to buy right now, it would be the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Samsung's design feels more sturdy, the camera takes more colorful photos, and the company provides Android version updates for a longer period compared to Motorola, making it my favorite choice. Samsung also has a history of rolling out new features to its phones over time through updates to its One UI software, giving it another advantage. However, the Motorola Razr is still a great option because it can be purchased a couple of $100s cheaper. Next, I would like to put these phones heads up against each other so you can see them in action. Of course, if you would like to check out specs, discounts, and all that good stuff, there will be some resource links you can check out directly below in the description. Don't forget to tap that like and let's freaking run it.
What are you doing?
We've done what we can here, Shaw. Evacuation's over.
Evacuated the whole country.
Hey! Watch your aim!
Looks like everyone got out. Loading fresh ammo!
I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.